Vlogging. What is this new term that has emerged? Can vlogging be a real career option? Or is it just a new hobby? Don't worry, I will answer all such questions, so keep watching. Hello friends, I am Seema Gupta and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can be a vlogger from scratch. So make sure you stick around till the end. So vlogging or video logging is a way to maintain vlog through videos. Basically a video diary. You can follow these steps to start your own vlog. Step number 1. Plan. The first step to become a successful vlogger is to prepare a strategy. This includes your audience, the kind of content you want to make, and all the supplies you need. Remember, first plan and then buy. You don't want to spend unnecessary amount of money too soon. So things you need to plan are: number 1, audience, your ultimate customer. Everything you do to make a blog is for an audience. Thus, decide your target audience. For example, if you have a travel blog, then your audience could be people interested in traveling. Number 2, content. There can be several categories to choose from. For example, a fashion blogger is hair, makeup, styling. So it would be best if you were specific. Third, supplies. All the things you need from camera, light, sound to something as small as notebook should be well planned. Read multiple reviews, ask experts, and be skeptical before buying. Step 2, after planning, get some inspiration. Learn from people who are already good at vlogging. You never know what you may learn from others. Look for details and then see what worked for them, what didn't work, and act accordingly. Also try to make your content different from what is already existing. Step 3. Learn to use the platform. To make the best out of the platform, make sure you understand it completely. Learn all the tips and tricks. Step 4. Test your waters. See how your content is working and make all the necessary changes that are needed. Get as much feedback as possible, get genuine advice, and act on it. Step 5. Charging. Once you are sure about your content, now you can invest in good camera, light, sound. These are some crucial parts that affect the success of your vlog. You don't want to make a video with dark lights and dull sound. Who's going to watch that? Step 6. Light, camera, action. You have everything you need. So what's stopping you now? Switch on your camera and start recording. So I hope this was helpful to you, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and do comment, like and share. Leave the comments below so that I know what you want. Bye.